MBA crash course on Sales Management and Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Sales Management. Sales management involves the planning, direction, and control of personal selling activities in order to achieve sales objectives. It focuses on developing effective sales strategies, managing sales teams, and driving revenue growth. Here are some key aspects of sales management. Sales strategy. Developing a sales strategy that aligns with the overall business goals and objectives. This includes setting sales targets, identifying target markets, and positioning products or services. Sales planning. Creating a structured plan to guide the sales team's activities. This involves defining territories, setting sales quotas, and determining sales processes and methodologies. Sales team management. Recruiting, training, and motivating sales professionals to achieve their targets. Providing ongoing support, coaching, and performance evaluation are essential for effective team management. Sales forecasting. Using data and market trends to predict future sales performance. Accurate sales forecasting helps in resource allocation, production planning, and budgeting. Sales performance analysis. Monitoring and analyzing sales performance metrics to identify areas of improvement. This includes tracking sales revenue, conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and customer lifetime value. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. CRM refers to the practices, strategies, and technologies used to manage and nurture customer relationships throughout the customer lifecycle. It aims to enhance customer satisfaction, increase customer loyalty, and drive business growth. Here are some key aspects of CRM. Customer data management. Collecting and organizing customer data, including contact information, purchase history, preferences, and interactions. CRM systems help centralize and manage this information. Customer segmentation. Categorizing customers into segments based on common characteristics or behaviors. This allows for targeted marketing and personalized communication. Relationship building. Implementing strategies to build and maintain strong relationships with customers. This includes providing exceptional customer service, anticipating needs, and fostering customer loyalty. Salesforce automation. Streamlining sales processes through automation, including lead management, opportunity tracking, and sales pipeline management. This improves efficiency and enables better sales forecasting. Marketing automation. Automating marketing activities such as email campaigns, social media management, and lead nurturing. This helps in delivering relevant content to customers at the right time. Top 12 Sales Management and CRM Techniques. Key Account Management. Sales Funnel Management. Sales Performance Incentives. Cross-selling and upselling. Customer Loyalty Programs. Sales Territory Management. Sales Forecasting and Analytics. Social Selling. Customer Journey Mapping. Sales Training and Development. Sales Process Optimization. Voice of the Customer, VOC, programs. Summary. Sales management and customer relationship management are critical aspects of business success. Sales management involves strategizing, planning, and managing sales activities, while CRM focuses on nurturing customer relationships. By implementing effective techniques and utilizing CRM tools, businesses can enhance sales performance, improve customer satisfaction, and drive long-term growth. Please note that the information provided above is a brief overview, and there is much more to learn and explore within the fields of sales management and CRM. Poem. In the realm of sales, where connections are made, where customers are wooed and deals are played, a world of strategy, of targets to meet, sales management and CRM take their seat. From planning to execution, every step holds weight. Crafting a sales strategy, sealing a lucrative fate, setting goals and targets to achieve. Sales teams march forward, determined to succeed. Building relationships, nurturing trust. CRM at the core, a must. Customer data, a treasure trove. CRM systems help businesses grow and evolve. Key account management, a strategic dance. Fostering partnerships, taking a chance. Sales funnels guiding leads through the way. Moving prospects closer, day by day. Incentives drive performance, igniting fire. Sales teams reach higher, aiming ever higher. Cross-selling and upselling, expanding the reach. Maximizing revenue, their expertise they teach. Customer loyalty, a valuable prize. Programs and rewards, they tantalize. Territories managed with precision. Sales professionals showcasing their mission. Forecasting and analytics, insights unfold. Understanding trends, stories yet untold. Social selling in the digital age. Harnessing platforms, turning the page. Customer journey mapping, a visual guide. Understanding touchpoints, where needs coincide. Sales training and development, skills refined. Equipping teams, their potential defined. Optimizing processes, removing friction. Smooth sales operations, a strategic depiction. Voice of the customer, their needs in view. Listening attentively, their satisfaction we pursue. Sales management and CRM, a harmonious blend. Where salesmanship and customer relationships transcend. In this dynamic field, success is in sight. As businesses thrive, propelled by their might. Though my words are but a glimpse, a mere reflection. Sales management and CRM invite your connection. Explore the possibilities. Unleash your sales force. Embrace the art of selling. Let growth be your course. Song. Verse 1. In the world of sales, where dreams take flight, where relationships are forged with all our might, CRM and sales management guide the way, helping businesses thrive day by day. Chorus. Oh, sales management and CRM, we sing your praise. With strategies and data, we'll find our ways. Building connections, nurturing trust. In the realm of sales, we know we must. Verse 2. From prospecting to closing, we'll make our mark. Crafting sales strategies that hit the mark. CRM systems, a treasure trove of information, helping us exceed customer expectations. Chorus. Oh, sales management and CRM, we sing your praise. With strategies and data, we'll find our ways. Building connections, nurturing trust. In the realm of sales, we know we must. Bridge. Forecasting and analytics, insights we uncover. Understanding trends, we'll rise above. With social selling, we'll make our name. Harnessing digital platforms, we'll find our fame. Chorus. Oh, sales management and CRM, we sing your praise. With strategies and data, we'll find our ways. Building connections, nurturing trust. In the realm of sales, we know we must. Verse 3. Customer loyalty, our ultimate goal. With programs and rewards, we'll touch their soul. Key account management, a dance so fine. Guiding partnerships to success, line by line. Chorus. Oh, sales management and CRM, we sing your praise. With strategies and data, we'll find our ways. Building connections, nurturing trust. In the realm of sales, we know we must. Outro. Sales management and CRM, guiding our way. In this world of sales, we'll shine each day. With dedication and passion, we'll reach new heights. Oh, sales management and CRM, our guiding light. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.